For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
India registered 24,879 fresh cases in 24 hours, taking the country's tally to 7.67 lakh. The country reported 487 deaths in the past 24 hours, and with this, the death toll in the country has reached 21,129. However, COVID-19 recovery rate is the only silver lining, with 4,76,378 patients cured from the virus. The total recovery rate in the country stands at 61.53%. As per the latest data released by the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the confirmed cases in India touches 7.67 lakh, while the number of people who have been discharged stands at 4,76,378. The death toll in India rises to 21,129. ICMR has tested around 1,07,40,832 samples for COVID-19 till 8 July, of which 2,67,061 samples were tested on Wednesday. States such as Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Delhi and Gujarat continue to report the highest number of cases in the country. Maharashtra reports over 6,603 COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours and is touted to be one of the worst hit states. In an effort to curb the spread of coronavirus, Maharashtra government has altered its COVID-19 strategy by allowing people to undergo tests at private laboratories. Maharashtra continues to remain on the edge with 6,603 fresh new cases reported in the last 24 hours and records 2,23,724 cases with 1,23,192 recoveries, 91,084 active cases and 9,448 deaths have been reported. Delhi, the second most hard-hit state due to COVID-19, has registered over 1,04,864 confirmed cases, while over 3,213 patients have died due to deadly pandemic. Tamil Nadu has registered over 1,22,350 COVID-19 cases and more than 1,700 people have lost their lives in the southern state. Gujarat has registered around 38,333 cases and the deaths in the state stand at over 1,993. Last in the list is Uttar Pradesh, and the state has recorded over 31,000 COVID-19 cases so far, while 845 people have died due to coronavirus. India is the third worst affected country by COVID-19 in the world, followed by Brazil and USA. The total number of cases across the globe now stands at 1.16 crore.